Alright, let's dive into grouping stuff in Figma. Let's create some example components here to walk you through it. Press R for rectangle. Drag and draw while holding Shift. Similarly, press O for ellipse. Draw polygon using Shapes tool from bottom menu. Now, if I wanted to bundle these shapes ones together, easy, just select them all, right-click, and pick Group Selection. Watch the Layers panel on the left while I do this. If I right-click and ungroup them, you'll see all three objects listed separately. But once I group them, they collapse into a single group. Click the little arrow next to the group name to peek inside or tuck it away. Neat, right? Now here's another cool thing, frame. They're like groups, but with superpowers. To draw frame, press F and drag and draw while holding Shift to make all sides equal. Let's say I grab these top three objects, right-click, and hit Frame Selection. Instantly, they're wrapped in a frame. If I select the frame and check the right side panel for the Clip Content option, if I drag something into the frame in the Layers panel, anything outside the frame's edges gets hidden. Move it back inside, it pops into view again. Drag it out, it's gone. But if you uncheck Clip Content, everything inside the frame stays visible, even if it's spilling outside the borders. And that's the lowdown on grouping versus framing in Figma. Hope this clicks for you. If it did, drop a like or subscribe. It's a huge help. Catch you next time for more tips.